underscore dude right here is gonna generate password and on the way show you the process to generate password with you all guys using Python. Anyway, let's start it. So we're gonna define a function, and the function will be password generator, right? Yep. And then after that, what we're going to do is that we are now going to specify a certain list of characters which will be used while generating the password. So in the password we want different uppercases as well as lowercase letters, also different numbers and different symbols. So what you're going to do is first we're going to uh, let's say lowercase numbers. So A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And after that, we're going to add the uppercase letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. After that, we're going to add the whole decimal numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. And after that, now we'll be adding some of the symbols that we have. So that includes dot, 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 we do not want these same elements to come again and again, and that's this and this, and what do we have got? I think these are all the characters we will be using. Oh yep, this one, yeah, this one. So these are the characters that we will be using to generate the password. So after that, what we will be doing here is we're gonna write a loop for I. No, before that we got to do something. We got to ask the user for the length of the password. Enter the length of the password. Up, I think I left a bracket there, and here. So now we can establish a loop, right? Not range, count, and now what we're gonna do, I think, is Yep, but got this. PORT import random, right? So we got to select any characters from this so that we will be to select it and to store on something. We're now going to create a new list that consists of characters from A on maybe sorry whose whose value in the list will be at the range of 0 to len A. And after that, we are now going to create password, right? Password equals to so this is password password dot append new list. After that, we are going to join password, and after that what we're going to do here is I think outside, yep, outside for loop we are going to print the password generated equals password, password. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. So let's try running this function. Yep, forgot to call the function, the most important part. Yep, length of the password 13. It says is not callable. Yeah, I do not know why I made this mistake. I hope this runs. 13. So range. Yeah, I had to do it. I think I did it, but then my overconfidence made me go through this now. 12. Password is not defined. So maybe we'll define it right here. Now 34 has no attribute. Okay. So gotta work it right now. Yep, so we've generated the password. Let's do it one more time. We're gonna write 98. What the hell? It says, yeah, so this is the problem that's gonna happen once you enter the length of the password, which is bound out of these range. For that, what we're gonna do is we will also, for instance, we'll also print out the len of a, right? And once you run the function and you print 12, what? What did I do wrong? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna call this function Control C, and before, yep, and let's create a new file, Python, and write len and control paste it right here, and then print out the length of this a. We're gonna run this. So it says 89. So what you'll have to do here is that you'll have to say the from let's say it, yeah, because like I think every website or any app says the minimum length of the password should be 8. We're gonna do it till 89. I hope this works. Not this one, this one. Yeah, Mr. Bracket 87. Yep, it really did work. So now if you want to increase the length or option for users to generate password with more length, what you can do is control paste these functions right here, right? And after that, now user can input, I think, this amount of numbers, and this clearly did work. Hope you enjoyed. See you at my next video.